Hi guys. So, people ask me how to make the slime, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to make the slime. I'm eating right now. But right now we have a special guest. My sister. Her name is
Zoe or Savannah.
People ask me how do I make this slime. Oh, sorry, I ripped the tour. This slime, and I'm gonna teach you guys right now. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you guys subscribe, I'm gonna be giving away one of these. So first thing you're gonna need is some
Dish soap.
dish soap, Dawn. Okay, here, put it in here. Not that much.
Tell me 1 cup.
We don't want to make a big one. Stop. Because I don't want to make. But I don't want to make that big because I already have some. So this Dawn soap. And then I know this is crazy. Medicine. Tylenol. Pain and fever. Hold this. Hurry because we don't have that much time. Because mine only records a little bit. And then you just pour a little bit. Like 1, 2 drops. And that's it. And then you can start mixing. Honestly, you can start mixing. It'll like just look weird. And if like you need some more Tylenol, add some. Right now we do need some more. So we're gonna add some of that. That's how much we're gonna need. We don't need a lot. Okay. Okay. So all that much that's all you need, and like I have a little bit because I put a little bit soap. And then after that, I know this is crazy, it's chest pain. You're gonna need that. Let me see. And mine's already almost coming out. And it's like, this is weird. Like this, and it makes it like big and everything. Like, well, bam! Like that. Yeah. And then you can start mixing that like hard. And then we're gonna add some food coloring. No. We're gonna add some food coloring. Wait, let me put the food coloring in. Okay. We're gonna add orange food coloring. Yeah, it's like a little orange, little green bottle. Put that in there. Go put more. More. Hold on, guys. So we just need to fix some stuff on it. Sorry, we paused it because someone knocked. And you see, have that. Oh, grab it. Okay. So she made her own. I made mine. This is the one that I was talking about that was in here, and we made another orange one just to make it bam big. Come here, show it to them. This is the one she made. And we add some food coloring. Orange, because we had some left over from last one. So, yeah. Make sure you subscribe and like. Give this a thumbs up. And comment down below what else should we do next. So, yeah.
Comment down below.
Bye.